Hello everybody. Well, today I thought we'd just do an interview on one-way function fluorescent battens. These are part of my collection. These are nice lights. These are very nice. They're all one-way function, which means there's only one switch, one function, and they're single tube battens. So we're going to do a little interview on them and show you them all. Well, first of all, let's get the Gold Hawk out of the way. The Gold Hawk is this gold one right here. This was introduced this year. I think it was introduced in April or March this year. I don't know when I introduced it, but okay, but this is the Gold Hawk. This one right here. This is a super Gold Hawk, which means you've got big lamp holders. As you see, these three lights are the same thing. The only difference, these two have got smaller lamp holders. This one's got big ones. This is chambered in T12. These two aren't. Okay, I can run T12, LED, and T8 in this light, but I can just run LED and T8 in those lights there only. Okay, so let's take a close look at this Gold Hawk. The Gold Hawk is a 4-foot batten. It is for LED and fluorescent. I just have a sticker on it letting you know that it's for both. Of course, you have the cable to plug it in, which is 3-prong. It's triple insulated, earthed. You've got negative, positive, and earth. Of course, you've got 4 cable holders holding the cable in place. And of course, you have your switch right there. Single switch. If I turn it around, you'll be able to see the back of it. You'll see on the back you have 2 yellow rectangular feet there to stabilise it. Just ignore that, just those rings. Those rings are for hanging or a strap. I'll show you a strap right now. Okay, this is a strap that should clip on the back. Because I actually use these lights at Mum's work and I actually need a strap to carry them there. So yeah, this is what I use. I clip it on the rings and it will allow me to carry them around. Okay? Very tedious to do. And of course, so that is the Gold Hawk. Okay? That's my Super Gold Hawk. Okay? So now that's done. Now we'll move on to the Silver Hawk. The Silver Hawk is similar to the Gold Hawk, except it's a 2-foot version. It is one way as well, except the switch on this one's black, the switch on those is white. Okay? This one here has got little lamp holders. This is not for T12, this is for T8 and LED only. Okay? Of course, you have a cord. It's a smaller cord because it's only a 2-foot batten. On those, you've got longer cords. This is 3-prong. You've got 3 cable holders. You got a little... on the plate, you have a little cover here which covers over the starter hole. Okay? And, of course, you got the lamp holders. They're not like those ones. We put those in a 30-degree angle. You twist those ones in. Of course, the lamp holders are a bit broken on this one. This was introduced this year as well. Probably May, I think this was introduced. Or maybe it was introduced April. Of course, you've got 2 rings. They're not for strap, they're for hanging. You've got 2 extension feet to stabilise it. And it says Silver Hawk on the side. Okay, so that's the Silver Hawk. Now we move on to the water element light. The water element light was introduced last year. Okay? It originally had different decoration on it. If you go to the first video I ever posted on this light, you'll see the old decoration of it. Of course, the decoration got well worn over years, so I repainted it. I made it like that. On the front of it, you can see there's a little drop of water there to represent what it means. It is also one way. It is just like the Gold Hawk. If you like, I'll show you the lamp holders on all 3 lights. You see, the Gold Hawk's lamp holders are just a bit bigger than those two. Okay? So that's the Super Gold Hawk. It's got big lamp holders. These don't. Okay? So that's just the difference of them. Okay? So the water element light was repainted this year, and it was introduced last year. Okay? And it's a very rare light. Of course, I have the starters in those two there. I don't have the tubes. The tubes are right there, the yellow and blue. Okay? So this is the water element light. You have your cable, which is 2-prong. It's double insulated. Got 4 cable holders. Of course, you might notice the paint's a little bit chipped there. I have to repaint it. When I removed the masking tape, it kind of peeled off some of the paint. On the side, it says element power, water, light, and of course, you can see the switch. On the back, there is rings, and of course, there is feet. Okay. Of course, yeah. Of course, those rings hold the LED to hang it and carry it with a strap. Okay, I'll flip this back around. There we go. So that's the water element light. It's a very common batten for me. Next in line we have the earth element light. This light was introduced last year. Okay, and this light was repainted this year. And And of course you might notice it's a little bit bent, but that doesn't matter, it works fine. Of course you might notice the paint's a little bit chipped on the lamp holder there. Of course the screws in there are brand new, the screws are shiny, because it goes good with the new paint. Of course this is fluorescent green, and you got brown. That's on the other one, it's just white and blue, because this is earth element. Of course you have your cord, it's got 4 kV, it's triple insulated, it's a single function, and of course it's on this side, the element power earth light. Of course on the front, that's supposed to be a root on the front, which represents earth, and on the back of the light you have the extension feet and of course the rings for hanging and strap. And it's a bit dented, but that doesn't matter because it's a good light. The good lights, they're part of my collection. So I hope you enjoyed. Just before I do a little bit of an interview on one-way function fluorescent patterns. The next interview I might do one on two-way function ones. So I hope you enjoyed.